Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to add background image in HTML and CSS using Visual Studio Code. So let's start. So first you have to install the background plugin. So you have to open the extension pane and search for the background plugin, install and enable the plugin or execute the following command like this one. And you can visit this part and check this one about background. Now go to settings editor, GA's own, and to change the background image VS Code, you'll need to go to settings editor, and there are a few ways to do it. You can press Ctrl plus on your keyboard or SCMD plus on Mac and click on the edit settings JSON button, or also you can click on the jar icon button left corner on the left code window and click edit in settings JSON button. You can go code file, preferences, settings in the top menu and click on the edit settings JSON button. Or you can run CMD Control plus Shift plus P and select open settings JSON command. Now that you do it, so customize the background image. If you don't like any of the preferred configurations, you can also customize the background yourself. To do it, you just need to update the background section of the static JSON file with the following example, like this one. You can copy this, and these are the other examples: disable extension, custom images, custom style image size, full screen, etc. That is how the final result looks like. As you can see, it looks incredible. So if you want to check this configuration or something like that, you can visit this page, and now you can follow the steps carefully and you can get the best result ever here. So guys, well, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.